In this video, I want to show you an important strategy that you can use to trade USDJPY. I'm going to show you this strategy from the 1-day chart to the 4-hour chart, the exact entry point, the stop loss, and the take profit target. All of this in this very video. So if you like content like this, watch this video all the way to the very end. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other forex content. A very important strategy on the USDJPY price action. If you notice on this very price action, you discover that market is an uptrend. So market move from this very point of important support from this area up to this very point, and we see retracement right here, pull back, market move upward, and then pull back right here. What do you think is going to happen from this very point after the markets have dropped this much? I am looking at market continuation all the way to the upside, and that is what we need to pay attention to right now. So in this strategy, you need to understand the broader perspective. That is, you have to look at the higher time frame. And from this area, I am looking at market moving upward. The first indication is if you use the retracement tool of the Fibonacci and draw from this very point to this very area, you discover that this market have retraced 50%, okay? Market come back down into this very area, and that is the 0.50 on the Fibonacci retracement tool. And from here, I am expecting that the market move upward. And that is the first thing you must have to do on the higher time frame. So from this very point, I am expecting the market to move upward. The second thing that you need to do in this strategy on the higher time frame is to check the position of the stochastic RSI indicator. Right now is at oversold condition. Since it's at oversold condition, it means that the market have capability of moving from oversold very soon all the way upward. So we need to pay attention to the market come out of oversold condition. That is the indicator come out of oversold condition with the blue line over the orange line crossing the 20% line right here. Once that happens, is a trigger strategy for us, and this is very important. So this is another thing you need to pay attention to on this very strategy as well. So from this, we can say that market now have capability of moving upward. The first one is the retracement formation using the retracement Fibonacci tool, and the next one is the stochastic RSI should come out of oversold condition, just like we are about to see on this very price action. So the next thing that you need to do to take a trade, which I'm going to show you practically, is you go to the lower time frame, which is the 4-hour chart preferably, and look for divergence, okay? And from this very area, you see that the market has been coming back down. And if you notice, market move all the way from here with a very strong momentum, impulsive move, retracement, market move down, move up again, come back down, retrace, come back down, and right now market is moving all the way upward. But if you notice the way market is moving now, market have momentum with this very candle and slight good momentum with this candle as well. But what we need to pay attention to is divergence. Is there divergence on this very price action? And once we confirm that there is a divergence, then we look for divergence confirmation. So if we look at the MACD indicator right here, you discover that there is a divergence on this price action, okay? And if you draw it from this very point right here down, you see market has been coming all the way to the downside, which is a clear indication that a divergence is on this price action. And then you draw from here, exact same point here on the MACD histogram to this very area, you discover that the market is sloping upward. Market is moving upward slightly, but on the price action, market is coming back down. Okay, market is sloping down, and this is a clear bullish divergence. But what we want to wait for is a confirmation of this divergence. So confirmation number one is we need to see the MACD histogram start formation on the positive side, which we are seeing right now, and this is already taking place. Okay, this is confirmation number one. Confirmation number two is for us to place a trend line on the resistance level from here all the way to this point, and we need to wait for this very market to break out of this trend line, and that is what I am waiting for immediately as we resume the market on Monday. Market should move upward, and we should see a bullish candle that break out on this very level of important resistance. Why is this level of resistance important? Because it was resistance right here, resistance at this point, resistance at this point, at this very area, and at this very point, which means this level is a very strong level of resistance that market have to break. So once the market break out of this level of resistance in the next day of trading, then with a bullish candle, then it is the right time to take a buy position all the way to the upside. That will mean that confirmation number two have met and market will move all the way to the upside. So what you need to do to take this very trade is, after this very divergence confirmation on this very trend line, which you're waiting for, is for you to take a position, okay, and that will be a buy position all the way to the downside, and your stop loss have to be slightly below the previous support. So if you take the buy position 2 from this very point right here, so take the long position 2, and let's say this breakout happened at this very point, okay, slightly upward because it has not happened yet. I am looking at market move upward and give us a significant bullish candle. Then your stop loss have to be slightly below here, okay? So your stop loss is at this point, and in this strategy, you're looking for 1 to 1.5, 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. Okay, very, very important, 1 to 1.5. So if we move it upward and we look for 1 to 1.5 at this very point, okay, if we look at risk reward here, 1.52, which is 1 to 1.5. So the entry is here at this very price level of 155.39, and your stop loss is at this very point of 153.60, and your take profit target is at this very price of 158.12. This is very, very important if you want to take this very trade. And this strategy is as simple as ABCD. The first thing is to identify that retracement is coming to an end on the higher time frame, which the 1-day chart is very, very key. And the next thing is you look at the stochastic RSI indicator and confirm that it is at oversold condition. Once you can verify that and wait for the market to come out of oversold condition with the blue line over the orange line, then crossing the 20% line, it is a guarantee market is going to move upward. And you come back to the lower time frame, which is a 4-hour chart, and look for divergence, just like we are seeing right here. So this divergence, once we see this breakout, which is the last confirmation we're waiting for right now, market is going to move from here all the way to the upside. And this very area is the first target you should expect the market to go into before any retracement, as market will begin to move upward. And this strategy is very, very simple. You can apply this strategy as well on any other pair aside USDJPY. A quick analysis on Euro USD. From this very price point, we see the market retrace significantly. Market have been coming all the way to the downside, okay, with this impulsive move market retracement, and this impulse is already in play. And what I am looking at is for market to continue from here. And another thing to pay attention to is that you see that this very stochastic RSI is already coming out of overbought condition, okay, from this very point, crossing the 80% line right here, which means market have capability of coming all the way to the downside and create a new low. That is what I am expecting on this very price action. On Euro USD, market should come back down. And this is very important. What that means is, if you want to trade on this very pair, look for a short opportunity or sell position on your chart. That is very, very okay if you want to be in the right direction of the market. And another thing is, you discover that the MACD line and the signal line is still at the negative side of the MACD, which means things can flick back very, very easily all the way to the downside for a sell position. So look for sell opportunity moving downward with that strategy on USDJPY. This is a very important concept that if you apply very well, it will work for you and can change the way you trade Euro, USD, and USDJPY. If you gain value from this video, consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other Forex content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description and also in the pinned comment. Watch my video right here on how to identify resistance support very well from beginner to pro, and watch this one for Fibonacci trading course. If you want to learn how to properly use the Fibonacci trading tool, watch this video out. It will help you. Thanks for supporting this channel.